Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series on engineering drawings. Before move on to the next lecture, I request you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. So welcome to lecture number 10 on the problems on projection of points. So this will be part 5. So we have one more type of problem in the projection of point. So we will be seeing that problem in this lecture. So the problem is as follows. A point P is on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Another point Q is on VP and 40 mm above HP. The distance between their projectors parallel to XY line is 50 mm. Find the distance between their front and top views of the points. So we shall see how to solve this type of problem. So the first step is to draw the XY line. So here I draw this XY line, which is an intermediate thick line. So I'll mark this X and Y. Since there are 2 points, so let us not mark the vertical and horizontal plane. So first we shall focus on point P. So point P is on HP, so the front view of point P will lie on XY line. So this becomes P dash. And 30 mm in front of VP. So in front of VP will be in the horizontal plane. Okay, so if you see here, the point is on HP and in front of VP. This means this is either in the first or fourth quadrant. So for both the quadrants, the horizontal plane will be below XY line. So your top view will come below XY line. So here I draw this top view. So it is 30 mm in front of VP. So I set the 0 mm on the XY line and 30 mm I mark the point. Draw the projection line, darken this point, so this will be P. Next I have to draw point Q. So for point Q, they have given a statement: the distance between their projectors parallel to XY line is 50 mm. So this line which we have drawn here from P dash to P, this projection line we also call it as a projector. So distance between projector of P and the projector of Q is 50 mm. So it is horizontal distance because that distance is parallel to XY line. So what we do is, from P dash we take a distance of 50 mm on the XY line. So this distance is 50 mm. Now from this point we will be projecting the point Q. Another point Q is on VP. So in the top view you see that point on the XY line. So I mark this as Q. Next, and it is 40 mm above HP. So 40 mm above HP and on VP means this point is in first and second quadrant. So for both the quadrants, your vertical plane will be above XY line and any distance above HP will be seen in the front view. So front view will be on VP. So for first and second quadrant, your VP is above XY line. So front view will come above XY line. So let us take this 40 mm from point Q. So from here I take this point 40 mm. So this will be Q dash. So with this we have completed the projection work. Now we need to determine the distance between their top views and their front views. That is, I will draw a thin construction line from P to Q as well as from P dash to Q dash. Now these two lengths I need to measure. So first let us dimension what all are the given dimensions here. So this length is 30 mm. So I shall use the aligned dimension here. So this is 30 mm. Then this distance is 40 mm. So here I shall take this distance. So this distance is 40 mm. And now I shall measure these distance. So what I'll do, I shall first draw the extension lines for this line here, as well as I shall draw extension lines for this line here. The extension line should be perpendicular to the line. Now with the scale, I shall measure what is the length, that is from this point to this point, it is somewhere 64 mm. So this is 64 mm. So I shall not write this 64 directly here. So this is a mistake. So we should draw the dimension line and then show 64. This is wrong. Many students tend to make mistake here. Similarly, I'll draw the dimension line over here. I shall measure the length with the scale. So this comes somewhere around 58. So this distance is 58 mm. So the distance between their front views is 64 mm. Distance between the top views is 58 mm. So these were the different types of problems on the projections of points with respect to horizontal plane and vertical plane, which you have seen from part 1 to part 5. Similar kind of problems you can expect in your examination. In the next class, we will be seeing the side profile planes, that is the right profile plane and the left profile plane, and we will solve few more types of problems considering HP, VP, LPP and RPP. LPP is left profile plane and RPP is right profile plane. So with this, we have completed 50% of projections of points. So please like and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so. Thank you very much.